Dude, the best way to hide your farts is to scream really loudly right when you fart, like this. Here we go. Ah! Fucking nailed it. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to fart on command. It's the tutorial that you didn't ask for, but you're gonna get anyway. Alright, here we go. Okay, so you're gonna go parallel to the floor and then do a vacuum like in bodybuilding, like this. And then blow out. Like that. So I'm in the bathroom at the gym and I realized I can do this little trick. I can suck air in my butthole and fart on command. Watch this.